All right, guys, what is up? Say hi.
Hi.
What are you doing? All right, say hi. 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 What are you, Michael Jackson now, huh? Just because your name's Jackson don't mean you gotta sport the one hand glove, all right? What are you doing? So tall. All right. Anyways, what is up, YouTube? Man, we're out and about on a Saturday because this is our only day off. It's Saturday. Man, we're gonna be busy working for the money. But look out outside. Outside right now is currently snowing, as you can see. Maybe you can see better in the front. Is that a chef? Dude, that dude's a chef. Man, very rarely do you see a chef walk outside in the public with his chef uniform on. That's pretty tight. So anyways, up early. I'm usually never up this early. I woke up at around 9:30. Hey, shh. What are you guys doing? Okay, you go sit in the back. Go sit in the back. Go sit in the back. You guys always fight. Man, these kids always fight. Always fight. I'm telling you. I don't know who they. Look at him. He's crying. Oh. Okay. Okay, Jackson. Pat his head. Say sorry. Say sorry. Trina, pat his head. Pat his head. Go. Say sorry. Anyways. Look, mommy. Look. Say hi, Jackson. Say hi. Oh, poor Jackson's crying. Alright, y'all, look at this. Heck yeah. Taking the kids out for a little enjoyment because we don't see them 6 days of the week because we're busy working. And there they go, round and round. Say hi. This place is cool. This place is called Jungle Gyms. As you can see, there's other rides for kids. Say hi. It's pretty cool. So yeah, you guys should bring your kids here if you're in the state of Utah. It's only like $9 a kid. Pretty cheap. Not like Disneyland, but it's something. So yeah, there you go. Fun day for kids. It's called Jungle Gyms. He doesn't look too happy anymore. Alright, so that kid's pushing on Jackson's car. And Jackson's face, he's getting mad and mad every time. Look, he's like, no. No.
He's trying to change subject.
He's yelling at them. He's yelling at them, telling them quit touching his car because the kids are touching his car. Good job. Look, his seatbelt came right off when he stood up.
Drina unbuckled.
Oh,
Come on,
that's
Jack.
to say, man.
Let's
It
go
came
eat.
right off. Ooh, lawsuit right there.
Okay, bye. Bye, let's go, Drina.
Okay, bye. Oh. You went Rambo style on the car.
Say bye, horsey.
Say bye. Say bye, horsies. Say bye, horsies.
Bye. Look.
Say bye.
Yay! Woohoo!
Trina, say bye. Bye, Jungle Gyms. Bye, Jungle Gyms. Why are you mad? I know. Maybe next week. Maybe next week. But anyways, here's the spot. Man, it's snowing pretty bad. It's called Jungle Gyms, as you can see in the background. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. So if you guys are bored, you guys need to take your kids out. Cheap place, you know. It's pretty cool for the kids, you know. They needed something, being away from the parents for too long. Look, my hair's already covered in snow, but anyways, so alright y'all, peace.
Bye.
Alright. We're here, say hi, Nando. We're here doing a music video for Tekis music video called Yes I Do. So these are the people that showed up.
Here, this man, this is dude.
So I'm over here helping Nando. Huh?
You know we have like 10 people?
It's all good, bro. It's gonna be a good music video. You guys should check it out. It's gonna be tight. There's a lot of people here. The bar is called, or it's a club slash. It's called Leilani's. So if you're in Utah, check it out. By some Polynesian place, and they got a dance floor, so it's pretty cool. And the song is called Yes I Do by Tekis. We're over here. I'm helping Nando shoot that music video. So, all right, y'all. Peace.